Hi, I'm Ivan, the head of IT here, and I got something I want to share with you. As the years have gone by, I've witnessed information technology become increasingly important to our business, while at the same time, I've watched the precious minutes of my day become completely consumed by that very growth. Yeah. Have you tried turning it off, then on again?
So you don't think it's lost, but you can't find it.
It happened how?
iOS, Android, Windows, oh, you don't know. So you downloaded and opened the attachment from the unknown sender.
Sound familiar? Well, worry no more, as all these issues are about to become problems of the past with HP DaaS.
What is DaaS?
Thanks for asking, Tammy. DaaS. Device as a service.
Ooh.
Let's take a walk. We have some explaining to do. DaaS is a fresh, modern way to manage your computing solutions with one partner supporting you every step of the way. It's all about getting the right IT hardware and the right support to the right people, helping them work from anywhere in the world with total confidence. And all these devices can be managed and secured easily, regardless of operating system. I know.
How does all that sound?
Oh, great.
You bet it's great.
Moving forward, based on the numbers, let's keep it running at 138%.
It's all thanks to the DaaS consumption-based pricing model. Simplified plans that make your IT spend more predictable and efficient. And what is that model, I hear you ask? It's a one price per device contract, scalable up or down as you need, which makes the finance department very happy.
You know you got
Okay, but wait, it gets better. HP DaaS provides unique analytics and actionable reports about your device's health. This covers things like battery issues, hard drive concerns, and blue screen errors, so you can take care of potential problems before they become problems.
Oh no, my computer.
DaaS can get replacement batteries to your team members wherever they may be. But that's not all. DaaS lets me see everyone's CPU utilization. So I know Angelo here can use a more cost-efficient model. He can still be highly productive, and I'm able to optimize my IT investment. You can even offload more of the day-to-day management functions, as HP also offers plans that provide the support of expert service agents. They can perform the fleet monitoring and management for you, saving you time. Time that you can dedicate to the really big initiatives that will truly impact your business. Awesome. Efficiently allocate and manage devices with any operating system, anywhere in the world, with up-to-date security, predictive analytics, next business day replacement, accidental damage coverage, and an incredibly flexible contract, all in one place from one partner. DaaS from HP.
Device as a service.